Hey guys, listen, I'm gonna show you how to connect your Claude with YouTube so that it can access transcripts and just do them and use them in your work. I came across this because I had this master cold emails PDF here and I wanted to extract this resources list and just turn everything in there into one big document that helps me in the future when I'm gonna use AI to write cold emails. I noticed there's a bunch of blog posts in here. Cool, Claude can directly access them, but there's also a lot of YouTube videos, and I need some way for the AI to be actually able to figure out what's in the YouTube videos. So I was thinking, okay, there should probably be some sort of tool like an MPC server. That's kind of tools that AIs can use that can link the two up. So I went ahead and I searched for YouTube transcript and then MCP, that's the MPC server, and then MCPB, that's an MCP bundle, that's like a file that you can automatically install into your Claude. I found something here, this project, download the latest MCP bundle, perfect, that's exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm going down here to this project, and then here it has installation instructions, search for MCPB. Here for Cloud Desktop, download the latest MCP bundle, release page, go here. I download this MCP file, save that, and once I have that, and now it's important that you have the Cloud Desktop app installed. It does not work with the browser version, you need the desktop app because it's some program that runs on your computer. Then once you have that, you can just open that file that you just downloaded, install it, click yes, install, amazing, then it's installed. Then we can create a new chat, and then just take this resource list that I have here, just copy everything, paste it into my chat here, and say, go through all of these and compile me a big document with the main takeaways, how to write great cold email. I will use this doc with Claude later to write cold emails based on my ICP and product offering. So I'm just giving it a little bit of context, what the document is actually for. That always helps you to figure out what needs to be included. And then I'm also telling it include a big examples section with examples from the links of good email copy. One of the things with AI is that it's doing a way better job if you give it a lot of examples of what good output looks like. And then just to be sure, I also tell it, go through all links for YouTube vids, get their transcripts. And give me the doc. That's it. Let's go. Let's see how it's doing. It's gonna be thinking now. I actually did all of this in Claude Code. I have my own little setup with a bunch of files and my whole knowledge base and so on. My journal that I'm keeping with kind of insights and just random thoughts and ideas that I'm having over the days. And I'm gonna explain that in another video, but this is kind of like a cool way to give AI way more context about your projects and endeavors and so on. Alright, I skipped ahead now to when it finished working and writing the document. So now we have our document here called Email Masterclass. One thing I want to do is I want to just take the whole original PDF, mark everything copy, and then paste it in here. add any extra info and examples from this doc into the master doc. And then once that happened, we can just download this file as a text file. And then whenever we want to write cold email in the future, we can just drag and drop that into the chat or have our AI access it in any other way. And it has like a really good understanding of how it can write good email copy. Of course, the usual civets, if you actually have a good copywriter, just use them, please. Like AI is it's not up to the quality of a good copywriter these days. But if you're just starting out, or maybe just also want some feedback on your existing copying, like, maybe you're practicing, you can kind of give it that and ask, like, okay, using this masterclass here, how can I improve my own writing? What's missing? What's not quite up to standard yet? Hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, send me a message in the Discord.